Oh, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a humongous sort of after Christmas, New Year's haul. Let's go ahead and get into it, because I'm going to try to do it all because I want to put it all away. I'm trying to do a better job at not making a mess. So I ended up buying this. I was going to put it on my list to buy later, but I ended up getting it. It's the Postmarked with Love little set from Tailored Expressions. So it is a stencil, the whole thing here. I think that there's a die, and I'm hoping that the die that I have goes with this, because I have a die that goes, that's a postmark die from another similar item. So anyway, this is Postmarked with Love, and then there is a 3D embossing folder, and then I do get the foil because I do love foiling, so I did get that. And then let's see what else is going on here. I think I bought the actual kit. So in the kit, it also came with the sentiments, which I'm trying not to buy so much sentiments because I have so many. But the reason why I got this one is because it does have some mail and postmarked things on here. And so this is postmarked forever, along with the matching dies. So I did buy that all as sort of a set. And then I did get this one because it is a little different, Snarky Sentiment Duos. And this is intended to go with, sorry if you can't see it well, with the zipper pull die, which we had gotten in a previous retreat. And so I need to find where that is and pull that out and use that. I think it's really cute. And then let's see what else we got going on here. So let's get into, first I wanted to kind of finish off my my free gifts. So we get free gifts every month. With every order you get whatever the gift is of the month. So 1 year it was, I'll go into it here. Okay, so 1 year it was, I think last year was the flowers, and they came out with dies that go with it. So I went and I got all the dies that I had not gotten yet. And stay tuned, I am actually going to do something with those. I don't know when though. So I got all the dies that go with that. And so I've got the complete set of that. And there's a lot of things that goes in. Like I have like a little vase that goes in. I have a bunch of other stuff. Then we have the coins. So for coins, I was missing the leaf, and I was missing the star and the tree. Okay, so, and then they have this coin companions, but also I think the flowers might fit in there too. So I got those. And then for the postage, I was only missing the tree. So I went and got the tree. And then this year's gift is going to be critters. So you were able to get a free card to put your critters on, which I think is really cool. And so it's going to be a different critter every month. So I'm looking forward to that. The critter for this month, and then they're going to have accompanying things that go with it, which I think is, you know, I think it's a great marketing tactic because you get a free stamp, but then you buy things to go with a freebie. But here it is. It's a turtle. And so it's just a little red rubber stamp. And so there is a little turtle. Is there a die with it? I don't know if I got the die. There must be a die with it. I must have gotten it. I'm thinking we'll have to look and see because there's like, I don't see it. I'll have to look and see. But anyway, they also have this Critter Crew birthday editions. So this is the stamp and die that's going to go and fit on all of your critters, along with a little clear one that just goes specifically with the turtle. And so I don't know if I got the die, if there is a die. I'll have to look and see because I don't see it here, but I'll have to look and see because there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, and then the $100 gift is this one right here, which is Sweetheart Blooms. It is a stencil, layering stencil, and that's the freebie. Okay, so then with honeybee stamps, the freebie was this. So with $100, you got that for free. And it was 30% off everything in their shop. So I did buy some things. I did buy some glimmer foil in these pastel colors. And they do have this that comes with that. And I did get, I try not to get Christmas because we're over Christmas, but I got this one because I did like it. This is Silent Night, Holy Night. I do really like the, I think one company, maybe it's Paper Tray Ink, has a foiling, but this is nice. So I got that, and then I did get this one because it was on clearance and was really, really cheap at 30% off. And let's see, what else did I get? Let's see here. I got this 3D embossing folder, which I think is pretty cool because I don't have anything really like that. And then I got the suitcase, Lovely Layers small suitcase, and then it comes with a little doohickey that tells you how to put it together. And then this is a stencil that goes with the big pickup, which I have the big pickup, so they came out with a stencil for it, so I got that. And then I kind of have my eye on this, even though I do have a stamp set from Avery Elle that has a very similar vibe. Thinking about doing some sort of comparison, maybe when we get closer to Christmas. But anyway, the snowman, I've been eyeing that, so I was able to get that. And then, oh, and I also got this, which is the white puff embossing powder, which I thought would be fun. So, but yeah, I just want to put everything away, so it's just going to be a giant haul so I can spend time putting it together. And then if you did a survey, you got $20 off of 50, and then they had like 20% off of clearance, and so I did buy some things. So I did get these Ivory album in a box, 2 of those, and I've had an idea of what to do with these for a while, so I just need to sit down and do them. But I did get the Alice in Wonderland, and let's see, I think it's just that. And then I got this Mon Amour, which is very inexpensive. It was super cheap. And then the chipboard, and this is the Wizard of Oz, which I thought was cute. Could go with a lot of other Wizard of Oz things that I have. Okay, so let's set that aside and get to the rest of it. And I'm really excited about this one. And I just need to have time to craft because I have so much amazing things, and I've just been you know, busy. What can I say? So Pink Fresh Studio had quite the deal. So it was a little bit of a conundrum of what to do, and I just went, okay, I did it. So if you bought the stamp set called Never Give Up, then you got for free the stencil and the die. So that's what are you going to do. And then if you bought anything at all, you did get this for free, which is a press plate that hasn't been released yet. And I went ahead and I picked this up called Ribbon Splendor and the stencil, which I thought was something kind of unique. And I could put all kinds of things in the middle of that ribbon. I think it fits a lot of my greeting farm girls. It might, like Anya's, and it might fit La La Land Crafts. We'll have to see. Okay, so this is the one I'm really looking forward to, and I need to just sit down and use my Scrappy Tails because these products are really fun and unique, and I really want to use them. So, and they're really big. They're really big. So I got this one, which is a die, a brick die. And then a lot of these pieces go with they have a couple of things. Their tunnel card, which you can do a tunnel card on your own. You don't have to buy a die really. I mean, it's a little bit of work, but you could do it. But also comes with their trifold, which I have. But this is their, I don't know if they call it a library. It's called Classic Bookshelf. So I got that. And then I got this and this one specifically to make Hogwarts style cards, and this is a train, and this is what you can do with this. Okay, so, and I got this piece as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then I got this, which is, it makes sort of a scene for a lot of different things, your trains or for whatever you've got, but it does a whole scene thing, but it works really well with their tunnel card thing that they got going on, but also with the trifold, which I do have. And then a couple other things here. Oh, these ones go together. This is a house and a Christmas house. So it's a Christmas house, but also a regular house. So you don't, I mean, you could just leave off Christmas and it could just be a house. And then the inside of it, so this goes with that trifold, but you also could use it with their tunnel card, which, you know, I need to investigate more, but I've made cards like that on my own before. They just are a little bit of work. But so I got all that, and I just think they're so fun, and I just need time to play with it. Okay, so now on to Pink and Main. So Pink and Main, if you spent $25, then you got these Sending Love card panels for free, which I love those. And then if you used, is it Nancy Foil 25? There is, if you go to, I think it's Nancy Stamps, I think, on YouTube. Anyway, she does a lot of foiling. And there's always a code if you order from Pink and Main to get some foilables for free. So these are the ones that we got for free. I got for free. And then what I purchased was this right here, which is this flip around die, this flip card die. You know, this one has a hexagon, so you can use bees or little bears or whatever. So, and then I have my La La Land Crafts, which I have not used any of my La La Land Crafts in so long. And I love their products so much. But I have just, like I said, been busy, and it's like not a very good excuse. So I need to get on the ball. So the thing about this is subscription. I actually have a coupon. You can get a coupon code of 10% off. This month is 25 just because, I don't know, something was late. I don't know. It doesn't, there was a delay. No worries. I'm not worried about it. But this was for, I believe, December. And it was these cute owls, which I love, these little winter owls. And we also got our Mercy, which is her wearing a little owl costume. And it's the dies this month that really are amazing that you could just use all the time, which I could use with the Winnie the Pooh. You have this one, which is like it's like a scene die, but it's like a tree, maybe a log. Anyway, little owls can fit in there. I've not figured out exactly how to use those. Can't wait. And then this one right here, which is also a fun kind of scene die. I need to look and see how that is used, but I love it. I think it's amazing. So the other thing I got was Hero Arts. They had a big clearance sale, and I've had my eye on this sort of Nancy Drew. That's what I think of it as, this Nancy Drew set. And I got the Houndstooth stencil along with the stamp and die of this little detective girl, which I think of as Nancy Drew. It has a magnifying glass, which I think is super cute. And then we have this right here. You know what would be really cute is to use the Nancy, if I could use the Nancy Drew stuff for like the little trifold house. It could be like, you know, what is it? The something clock. I forget all the names of the Nancy Drew books. It's been a long time. But anyway, very cute. And unique. So I'm trying really hard to stay away from all the things I already have a lot of, even though, you know, I'm drawn to things. I did get this stamp. They did not have the die, which I was bummed about. So I do need to get the die for this. So I can cut out these pieces a little bit easier. But I think these are really, really great pieces for scenes. You know, you can set all your little critters on the couch at a good size. So I did get this. I think I got this from Butterfly Reflections. They were having a 25% off sale. And then I got this one, which is Wonderful Windows, which I like that. And then I got the postcard combo. I really like their postcard because it's got all these pieces. So that's fun. And then I did buy some things from Sizzix, which I kind of stayed away from, but I really kind of had my eye on, well, this one was super cheap and I couldn't say no to it. But I liked it because it was an all-in-one die, like not all a bunch of pieces, you know, so that's kind of makes it life easier. And then I got this witch one from Tim Holtz, which was a really reasonable price. And then this one, which to me just screams Mary Poppins, and so I need to do some themes of Wizard of Oz and, you know, Mary Poppins and Winnie the Pooh and just Harry Potter and just do a big Alice in Wonderland and just do a big themed thing, but, you know, time and all that. This one, this was super cheap, but I liked all the little pieces because you never know when you need like a little dog or a little cat to put in a scene. And then this one right here with the mailbox, and you know, you always can use these little pieces in different scenes. Okay, and then last but not least is Hello Bluebird, which is back. I did not buy their Valentine's Day release. It's a regular release, so I didn't buy it, but I probably will at some point because they have some really cute things. So first of all is this one, which is kind of similar to another die they have, which is a little bummed. But this is their post office die. It doesn't have any backing, so I can't really. And then this one right here, which is this tags die, and I really liked the different shapes and all the bows. I liked this one right here. I liked these little scalloped and postage and all the little bows. So there's that. And then this one right here, which is the die, and then here is the stamp set. It's really, really big. And it definitely has a winter feel, but I think it could work for fall too. But it's not like Christmas, even though there's a Christmas thing there. It's reindeer airmail. It's definitely could be just winter. And then and then this one right here, which is Peace, Love, and Joy. And then the freebie, if you spent $125, you got the stamp and the die of this little cutie pie right here, which really goes with the little theme, and you could do a smaller card. So that is my haul. It's huge. Tell me what your favorite thing is that I got. Maybe that's what I work on next. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crafty Art.